Welcome to the ECOBUST how-to video. Now that you're ready to begin your ECOBUST job, let us show you in a few simple steps how it's done. There are three main steps to any ECOBUST job: drill, mix, pour. For best results, follow this guide to ensure you get the most from ECOBUST. Before starting any demolition project, it's important to use the correct personal protective equipment, or PPE for short. When using ECOBUST, the required PPE are safety glasses, dust mask, and rubber gloves. Although ECOBUST is safe, accidents can happen. Therefore, always use your PPE. Gather together the materials you'll need before you start your project. These include the correct temperature range ECOBUST product type, a drill, bucket, tape measure, measuring cup, and mixing paddle. There are 4 types of ECOBUST based on the ambient temperature. Be sure to use the correct temperature type for your project. Determine the approximate area of the rock or concrete to be demolished. Measure the height, width, and depth. This will help you determine the hole pattern and required quantity of ECOBUST needed. Before laying out the drill pattern, determine the size of debris you're capable of moving and adjust your hole pattern accordingly. Mark out the hole pattern and spacing for where you're going to drill. For rock, spacing should be between 10 inches and 18 inches. For concrete, it's between 8 inches and 14 inches. Recommended hole diameter is 1.5 inches. Adjust the drill pattern depending on the hardness or reinforcing of the rock or concrete. The harder or more reinforced, the closer the hole should be drilled. Step 1. Drill holes into the rock or concrete that are 80 to 90% of the total depth of the substrate. Whenever drilling, always wear the correct PPE. After drilling, vacuum or blow out the holes of any loose debris that may have remained inside or fallen in while drilling. Step 2. Mix ECOBUST with cold, clear water. For first-time users, empty 1 to 2 bags of ECOBUST into a clean bucket and add 1.5 liters of water for each 5 kilogram bag used. Mix with a mixing paddle or stir stick for about 2 minutes, or until a consistent slurry is achieved and there's no clumping. The slurry should resemble gray chocolate milk. Step 3. Pour the liquid ECOBUST solution into the pre-drilled holes. It's optional to leave the top 1 inch unfilled. Once filled, cover the filled holes with a tarp or other suitable material. Do not look into a filled hole for at least the next 2 hours. Leave ECOBUST to react, usually between 2 and 8 hours for fracturing, based on temperature, humidity, and type selected. In some cases, it may take up to 24 hours for cracks to appear. After ECOBUST has done its job, just return to the job site for easy removal. It's the quietest, safest, cleanest, most efficient and cost-effective way to demolish rock or concrete. It's ECOBUST, naturally innovative.